Ever wonder how some students always score A's? It's not magic, it's strategy. Today I'll show you how to study like an A student. Students don't just study harder, they study smarter. They focus on quality, not just quantity. Instead of cramming for 5 hours, they plan short, focused sessions, 25 to 30 minutes at a time with breaks in between. It's called the Pomodoro technique. Students treat study time like appointments. They plan it in advance and stick to it. Instead of saying, "I'll study when I have time," they say, "I'll study biology at 4 p.m. for 30 minutes." Students don't just read their notes, they teach the material and test themselves. Your environment matters. Students choose spaces that help them focus. Students review their notes weekly, keeping information fresh, reducing panic before exams. Just 10 to 15 minutes of review every few days adds up. Regular review boosts memory by up to 80%. Students also take care of their brains and bodies. They sleep enough, ask questions in class, and stay curious. You don't have to be perfect. You just need the right habits. Want more smart study tips? Subscribe to my science tutorials, where learning is smarter, not harder.